Alright, so TJ wants an install done on his truck. You know what that means? We got YouTube videos coming. Alright guys, so the first video that I want to make with this truck, since I've got it in here to do an install, and TJ doesn't really care, is I want to talk about your fuse box locations in these vehicles. This can be a major issue for some people that have never worked on vehicles but have a headlight out, interior light, or something's not working correctly. So let me show you the two locations for the fuse boxes. So the first one's going to be under the hood, and if you don't know how to, you'll open the door. This is an 03 Avalanche. You'll pull this cord right here and you'll pick up the hood. The first location is right here. You can go ahead and pull that off. Underneath is a diagram of all of the relays. So if you don't know, these are relays, these are fuses, and these are a different kind of fuse. These are the small fuses, by the way. But this is where all of these are going to be. So you have everything from parking brakes to ignition to HVAC, windshield wipers. Let's see if there's a radio one in here because this does have the Bose system. All right, now let's come to the second location. That's going to be right here. I'm going to pull that tab. There's the fuse box, and here is the diagram along with what would be a fuse puller and some spare fuses, but this one's missing a fuse puller. Needle nose work just as good though. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope that helped y'all out.